So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing, delicious and easy chicken sliders recipe. And once you try this recipe, you won't be able to stop making it. And these are absolutely great for dinner. And if you're looking for something different and fun to add into your kids' lunchbox, then you should definitely try this recipe. And I promise you, they are going to eat this up. And they are also great for meal prepping. Alright, so let me show you how to make it. So into a skillet on medium heat, you're going to add in a little bit of oil and go in with a few pieces of onions. Saute this for about 30 seconds and then add in some bell peppers and sweet corn. So I used 3 colors of the bell peppers here, but you can use any colors that you prefer. And then go ahead and saute this for another 30 seconds. So after about 30 seconds, you're going to go ahead and add in some cooked shredded chicken. So you can use either the thighs or the breast, but I used a combination of both here. And then add in the seasonings of your choice. Here I used some smoked paprika, salt, seasoning cubes, black and white pepper, and some garlic granules. And give this a good mix until well combined. So next we are going to add in some sauce into this chicken so that it's not dry. And here I have some mayonnaise, Greek yogurt and hot sauce. So any brand of these works fine here, but you want to make sure that the yogurt is not flavored. So just good old plain yogurt. Mix this together and then add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this into the chicken. Give this a good mix and turn off the heat immediately. So now we are going to get our bread or dinner rolls, cut this in two and lay the bottom part into a baking dish. So I shared the recipe for these amazing dinner rolls and I will be linking it in the description box in case you haven't seen it. But you can also use some store-bought bread rolls. But you should definitely make your own bread rolls as they are easy to make and taste absolutely amazing. So go ahead and spread the remaining part of the sauce that we made earlier onto the bread rolls and then add in a little bit of cheese. So I used some grated mozzarella cheese here, but you can use cheddar cheese or a combination of both. Then go ahead to add in the chicken that we made earlier. So start preheating your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As we are going to pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then finally we are going to top this up with some cheese slices. So I use mozzarella cheese slices, but you can also use cheddar cheese slices. And then close this up with the top of the bread rolls. And then finally, we are going to brush the top of the bread rolls with a little bit of melted butter and dried parsley. And then pop this into the oven for about 10 minutes for the cheese to melt. And after 10 minutes, this is what you have. Just look at how amazing this looks. These were absolutely amazing, and as you can see, it was super easy to make. So there you have it, one more super amazing recipe to add to your dinner or lunchbox menus. And my work here is done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss out on amazing recipes like this. I will see you in the next one.